गुड मॉर्निंग। लास्ट सेशन ની અંદર આપણે કોમ્બિનેશન એનો ટાઈપ 2 એની અંદર ફર્સ્ટ 3 સમ જોયેલા હતા। નાઉ એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 4। A question paper consists of 6 questions. In how many way can a candidate attempt one or more question? સેમ ફર્સ્ટ સમ કરેલો તો એની જેમ જ છે। ફર્સ્ટ સમમાં શું હતું, ટોટલ 6 સબ્જેક્ટ હતા, એની અંદર કેટલી રીતે ફેલ થઈ શકે। અહીંયા ટોટલ 6 ક્વેશ્ચન છે, એમાંથી એક કરતા કેટલા ક્વેશ્ચન અટેમ્પ કરી શકે। તો આઈધર he can attempt one question or 2 question or 3 question or 4 question or 5 question or 6 question, or means plus। Okay, out of 6 1 is selected, 6C1, or એટલે plus out of 6 2 is selected, 6C2, out of 6 3 selected, 6C3, out of 6 4 selected, out of 6 5 selected, out of 6 6 selected। Now shortcut method 6C1 એટલે અહીંયા શું આપેલું છે 1, તો જેટલું આપેલું એટલું જ લખવાનું। 1 means 1 letter, that is 6, એનું 1 નું ફેક્ટોરિયલ કરવાનું, 1 નું ફેક્ટોરિયલ 1। 6 અહીંયા શું આપેલા છે, r is equal to 2 એટલે 6 ને 2 સ્ટેપ સુધી એક્સપાન્ડ કરવાના, that is 6 multiplied by 5। નીચે જે આપેલું એનું ફેક્ટોરિયલ 2 નું ફેક્ટોરિયલ 2 multiplied by 1। 6C3 6 ને 3 સ્ટેપ સુધી એક્સપાન્ડ કરશો, 6 5 4 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 3 નું ફેક્ટોરિયલ 3 ફેક્ટોરિયલ 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1। 6 ને 4 સ્ટેપ સુધી એક્સપાન્ડ કરશું, 6 5 4 3 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 4 ફેક્ટોરિયલ 4 3 2 1। 6 ને 5 સ્ટેપ સુધી એક્સપાન્ડ કરશું, 6 5 4 3 2 ડિવાઇડેડ બાય 5 ફેક્ટોરિયલ 5 4 3 2 1। and 6C6 NCN is always equal to 1, એ આપણે ફર્સ્ટ ડેફિનેશનમાં વાત થઈ ગઈ હતી। now 6 divided by 1, that is 6, 3 2s are 6, 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6, 5 4s are 20, 4 3 cancel થશે, 5 3s are 15, 5 4 3 5 4 3 2 cancel થશે, 6 plus 1, 6 plus 15 plus 20 plus 15 plus 6 plus 1, that is 36। now he can attempt one or more question by 63 way। next question, example number 5। in how many way a committee of 5 persons can be formed out of 6 boys and 7 girls? there are 6 boys and 7 girls, total there are 13। out of these 13, committee of 5 members can be formed, 5 persons। so what is the condition? such that each committee must include at least one boy, at least one boy એટલે કે ઓછામાં ઓછો એક બોય તો કમિટી અંદર આવવો જ જોઈએ। this is our condition, at least one boy must include। now how many way we can select? say for example one boy select થશે, one boy select થાય તો ટોટલ 5 મેમ્બરની કમિટી બનાવવાની છે, તો ગર્લ્સ કેટલી હશે 4, or 2 boy select થશે તો ગર્લ્સ કેટલી હશે 3, કારણ કે 5 મેમ્બરની કમિટી બનાવવાની છે, or 3 boy સિલેક્ટ થાય तो गर्ल्स हशे 2 और 4 बॉय सिलेक्ट थशे तो गर्ल्स हशे 1 અને લાસ્ટ 5 બોય સિલેક્ટ થશે તો ગર્લ્સ હશે 0 નો ગર્લ્સ ધેટ ઇઝ 0 બીકોઝ આપણી કન્ડિશન શું છે કે એટલીસ્ટ 1 બોય કમિટીમાં હોવો જોઈએ ધેટ મીન્સ કે ઓછામાં ઓછો એક બોય કમિટીમાં હોવો જોઈએ એટલે કે એક કરતાં વધુ હોય તો ચાલે એટલીસ્ટ મીન્સ ઓર મોર એટલીસ્ટ 1 કીધું છે ધેટ મીન્સ 1 ઓર મોર that is 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 maximum 5% ની કમિટી બનાવવાની છે એટલે maximum 5% સુધી સિલેક્ટ થઈ શકે now out of 6 boy 1 is selected 6c1 and એટલે multiplication out of 7 4 are selected 7c4 6c2 7c3 6c3 7c2 6c4 7c 7c1 and last 6c5 okay 6c1 that is 6 7c4 7 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 4 સુધી expand કરશું divided by 4 3 2 1 plus 6c2 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 2 7c3 3 સુધી expand કરશું 7 6 5 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 6c3 6 ને 3 સુધી expand કરશું 6 5 4 3 2 1 7 multiplied by 6 divided by 2 plus 6c4 that is 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 4 સુધી expand કરશું divided by 4 3 2 1 multiplied by 7c1 is equal to 7 plus 6c5 6 5 4 3 2 5 steps સુધી expand કરશું divided by 5 factorial now simplify it 4 3 cancel થશે here 6 3 6 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 that is 105 plus 15 multiplied by 3 2s are 6 35 plus 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 4 3 2 that is 21 here 21 because these 4 and 3 are deleted so 7 multiplied by 3 that is 7 multiplied by 3 that is here multiplied by 5 also that is 21 now third bracket 6 5 4 3 2s are 6 5 multiplied by 4 that is 20 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 that is 3 that is 21 plus 4 3 2 cancel this is 2 15 multiplied by 7 plus 5 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1 that is 6 now 6 multiplied by 21 that is 126 plus 15 multiplied by 35 that is 525 20 multiplied by 21 that is 420 15 multiplied by 7 15 multiplied by 7, that is 105, and last 6. 126 plus 525 plus 420 plus 105 plus 6, that is 1182. 1182. This is our answer. This way we can select the committee. Now verify it. 6C1, that is 6. 7C4, that is 7 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 7, 6, 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 35. Here 35. 35 multiplied by 6 that is 210. Now 210 plus 525 plus 420 plus 105 plus 6, 2266. This is our answer, 2266. Now next example. Example number 6. A cricket team of 11 player is to be formed from 16 player including 4 bowler and 2 wicket keeper. એટલે કે આપણે 11 જણાની ક્રિકેટ ટીમ બનાવવાની છે. કન્ડિશન શું છે કે જેની અંદર 4 બોલર અને 2 વિકેટ કીપર આવવા જોઈએ. 2 વિકેટ કીપર આપેલા છે. In how many different way a team can be selected so that team contain first exactly 3 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. There are 4 bowler, 2 wicket keeper. There are total 16 players. So out of 16, 4 bowler, 2 wicket keeper. Then remaining are batsmen. This is bowler. That is wicket keeper. Now 16 minus 4 minus 2, that is 10 are batsmen. Okay. Out of this 16, how many is selected? 11. Because cricket team consists 11 players. First condition, 1 exactly 3 bowler and 1 wicket keeper are selected in team. 1 bowler and 3 bowler and 1 wicket keeper must be selected. So out of 4 bowler 3 are selected, 4C3, and means multiplication. Out of 2 wicket keeper 1 is selected, that is 2C1. Then remaining are batsmen. So total there are 11 player minus 3 bowler selected minus 1 wicket keeper selected. Out of 11 minus 3 minus 1, that is 7. So out of remainings are batsmen. Out of 10 batsmen, 7 are selected. 10C7. So simplify it. 4 multiply 4 ને 3 steps સુધી expand કરશું. 4 3 2 divided by 3 2 and એટલે multiplication 2C1, that is 2. 10 ને 7 steps સુધી expand કરશું. 10 9 8 7 6 5 and 4. Now 7 factorial. 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. 7 6 5 4 delete થશે, cancel થશે. 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10. 3 2 3 2 cancel. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 8, that is 120. 120 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4, that is 960. 960 way થી આપણે ક્રિકેટ ટીમ સિલેક્ટ કરી શકીએ જેની અંદર 3 બોલર્સ હોય, 1 વિકેટ કીપર્સ હોય અને 7 બેટ્સમેન હોય. નાઉ સેકન્ડ બી, part B, that is at least 3 bowler and at least 1 wicket keeper. There are two conditions, at least 3 bowler and at least 1 wicket keeper. At least means 3 or more. At least 3 bowlers and 1 wicket keeper. Say for example, this is bowler, this is wicket keeper and this is batsman. Now there are total 11 member must be selected in cricket team because there are 11 players. Total there are how many bowlers? Total there are 4 bowlers and 2 wicket keepers. 4 bowlers, 2 wicket keepers and 7 batsmen. 10 batsmen. These are the total numbers. Okay. At least 3 bowlers must be selected. So 3 bowlers. At least 1 wicket keeper must be selected. So 1 wicket keepers and remaining are batsmen. There are total 11 player in the team. So 11 minus 3 minus 1, that is 7. Now there are at least 3 bowlers. So 4 will be selected, 1 wicket keeper, then remaining are batsmen, total 11. Next, 3 bowlers can selected, 2 wicket keeper, 1 wicket keeper must be selected, at least 1, that is 1 wicket keeper must be selected. Now remaining are batsmen. So 3 plus 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 5 minus 11, that is 6. 4 bowler, 2 wicket keeper select, then remaining are batsmen. 4 plus 2, 6, 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. So that way selection can be made. Now simplify it. 4C3 multiplied by 2C1 multiplied by 10C7, or 4C4 2C1 10C6, or plus 4C3 2C2 10C6, or 4C4 2C2 10C5. Now simplify it. 4C3 4, 2C1 2, 10C7, that is 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 4 divided by 7 divided by 6 divided by 5 divided by 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 120. Same way 4C4 is equal to 1, 2C1 is equal to 2, 10C6 means 10C4, 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 divided by 4 divided by 3 divided by 2, that is 210, plus 4C3 is equal to 4, 2C2 is equal to 1, 10C6 we already have 210, plus 4C4 is equal to 1, 2C1 is equal to 1, 10C5, that is 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 multiplied by 6 divided by 5, 4, 3, 2, that is 252. 252. So 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 120. 4 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 120, 960. Plus 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 210. 210 multiplied by 2, 420. 2 multiplied by 210. 210 multiplied by 2, that is 420. 4 multiplied by 210. 4 multiplied by 210, that is 840, and 252. Sum of it 969, 420, 840, 252, that is 2481. 2481 થી આપણે ક્રિકેટ ટીમ સિલેક્ટ કરી શકીએ જેની અંદર એટલીસ્ટ 2 બોલર હોય અને એટલીસ્ટ 1 વિકેટ કીપર હોય. Now here our example is completed. Next example will be start in our next session. Thank you.